Hey everyone, welcome back to Savitri's Kitchen. As we're celebrating the colorful festival of Navratri, I am here to share a special recipe, coconut burfi, which surely sweetens your Navratri celebrations. So let's get started. In a heavy bottomed pan, heat a tablespoon of ghee on medium flame. Spread the ghee over the pan. Add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut and stir for 2 to 3 minutes to release its natural aroma. Now add half cup of sugar. Stir and cook for a couple of minutes. Add half cup of milk and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. The mixture will start thickening and pulling away from the sides of the pan. Now add 2 to 3 drops of food color for that festive look. Mix well everything. For flavoring, let's make cardamom powder using a mortar and pestle. Add a teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix thoroughly. Continue cooking until the mixture becomes a dense mass that holds together. Then transfer the mixture onto a greased tray. You can garnish it with chopped nuts. Let it cool for 30 minutes at room temperature. Once set, cut it into squares or diamonds. Serve it into a serving tray. And there you have it, festive special coconut burfi. Try this delicious recipe at home and let me know in comments how it turned out for you. See you this Sunday with another delicious recipe. Thank you.